Are you a small team, independent designer, or an entrepreneur trying to branch out into design? Frustrated from not being able to communicate your designs to overseas factories? No worries, LC is here to help. Whether you've had technical training or not, we can guide you through the process. LC Apparel Consulting was birthed as a resource for emerging fashion designers and creators in order to expand product development and manufacturing for Black and Brown designers. This goal is achieved via a blend of fashion consulting and educational offerings. Our team takes pride in educating and empowering our clients to bring their fashion dreams to life. We offer production services, courses, mentorship packages, workshops, and New York City garment district tours. LCAC is a one-stop shop for creating and manufacturing all of your apparel needs, from concept to consumer. Not to mention, we are the only female Black-owned company that offers this realm of services and education that is trustworthy, has integrity, and a proven track record of quality created products. Don't delay. Book your consultation today. This was a dramatization of product development. It does not happen this fast.